asingeneni ku-hot topic yetu yanamhlanje lalelani. I am a young man aged 26. My mother raised me alone after my father left with another woman. Amai vangu vakashanda nesimba vachicrossa border. I am a strong Christian, brought up nemitemo inobva mushoko raMwari. So now I am a civil engineer who earns a lot. Years later, my parents got back together. I was against that, but vanhu vakuru. I recently met a girl at my workplace. We hit it off, tikatotanga kudanana. We have been together for 1 year, 6 months. We discussed that we would never sleep together till we get married. I have never been intimate with anyone because I believe it is meant for my wife. I have been judged for this decision, but I have stood by it. I love this girl, and now we are planning to get married. And pre-marital counseling, she revealed to me that she was raped arimwana by her stepdad. I believed her. I was just disappointed she wasn't a virgin anymore. So we continued our relationship. I was curious, and then I asked her who raped her and why she had never reported. And she said it was my stepdad and she couldn't do it because he was the breadwinner, and her mother convinced her not to do so. So her mother passed away, but she never got over the rape and the decision that her mom made her do. So I vowed to help her make the stepdad pay. So we did maroro, all went well. My father wasn't around for the ceremony because he was sick and they had never met. I wanted them to meet Dediwa kunzwa zviri nani, vasisiri muchipatara. We are having our white wedding next month. And last week, my father was discharged. I took my wife to meet him, and as soon as she saw him, she was stuck and out of it. Akaita kuita kunge chizombi, kuita kunge she had seen a ghost. She started kufemeruka, then I took her outside, and she said that was her stepfather who had raped her. I was stuck. My father is the one to have caused so much pain to her. I never had him around, and now I might not have him present if tikavasungisa. At the same time, my wife arkurwadziwa, but I have also developed some type of disgust towards her. I can't get the picture of her being intimate with my father, even though I know it was never her will to do so. A part of me thinks there is so much going on, and I'm thinking of stopping the wedding completely. How can I give myself to her with everything that I am feeling? I never hated my father, but now I do. What can I do, Vedari? Should I report my father for my girl or leave her because things have become too complicated? Your hot topic yetu ya namhlanje. You can send your messages on the WhatsApp platform 0772-162-651, and I will quickly bring it to you, Shewe. That's the hot topic for today. Very hot. I will say that.
It is, because it consists of some sensitive stuff inside as well. So it is very, yeah. But I would say to the guy, look, my guy, you've dated this girl, you've loved this girl. If your love is really true for her, there is no need for him to leave the girl because of her past. I would suggest he speaks to her.
Yes.
Gets the father arrested. She goes for counseling with her if he truly loves her. Right? Because one thing is, it was not her fault.
That's true.
She was raped and the mom stopped her from reporting. She wanted to report. So
Yes.
it's not her fault. So I would say go get the father arrested. Talk to your wife if you really love your wife. Get counseling and move on. That's all I can say.
I think also a complication comes from the fact that this was also her stepdad.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I've got a call here. Hello, you're live on Star FM. Oh, bad connection. Messages are coming on our WhatsApp platform.
Yeah, this one is saying you should stop the wedding. And I'm
completely.
Yeah, he's saying stop the wedding completely. Is that a true story? Yes, it is a true story. They're saying it sounds like a Nigerian movie, but it's a true story.
Yeah, it's
Is it-
this is the hot topic. You hot topic.
No, you know, sensitive topics can sound like it's a movie, but it truly did happen.
Right.
In this case, yeah, I can feel the pain. He's saying this one says the father must be arrested. He must continue with the wedding.
All right. I've got a call here on the line. Hello, you're live on Star FM.
Yes, aqui Grace Baby.
Zviri sei maswera ere?
Ndatswera ndemundi kudya zviri sei.
Aiwa, tiri right zvedu. You can go ahead with your contribution, sir.
Ya ndikutaura kuti nyaya iripo hanzi mhosva irovi vanofanira kusunga stepfather.
Yes.
Then uyu mukadzi anofanira kutorwa kakiitwa counseling asarambe mudzimai wake. Ngaize counseling. Ndichirongbozi yanga kwasuri kuda kwake haizi fault yake handiti.
Yes.
Zvinhu zvakatiitwa zvokumanikidzwa ngoziva mastepfather anozviita ka. Saka amai avo sikuda kuti waida murume waprotecta murume wakabva waramba kuenda